Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to remove tracking changes and comments in Microsoft Word. Here, you can see that I have a document with tracking changes turned on and a comment. One of the things that teachers tend to use when they're grading a paper is something called track changes. What you'll see is that if you click the Review tab in a Word document and then click the Track Changes button, like right now it's turned on, Word will track any changes made within your document. When it's on, every edit is recorded, and it can also be turned off so it won't record any new changes. Even after you turn it off, it still shows the previous changes. In the Review tab, under Track Changes, there's a pull-down box. Make sure that it is set to All Markup so that all of the comments and edits are visible. Suppose you want to remove these trackings and comments. There are many ways to do it. You can either right-click with your mouse on a change and accept the deletion or reject the change, or you can go up to this little section and click on the drop-down arrow below Accept. From here, you can accept this change, then move to the next one. You can accept only this one, or accept all the changes at once. This works the same way for Reject as well. For example, I will go to Accept and choose Accept All Changes. Here, you can see that there are no tracked edits anymore. Now, one of the things I've found is that students often have trouble getting rid of those pesky comments that instructors leave. Right here, the comment is at the end of the sentence. There are different ways to handle comments too. You can click Resolve, which just marks the comment as resolved and shows that you've seen it. That's useful if you're sending the document back to the teacher, but if you want to completely remove it, you need to delete the comment. To do this, right-click on the comment, then click Delete. Once you delete the comment, your paper looks normal again. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.